Flower center, round 1, magic ring. Chain 4. Work 3 single crochets in the second chain from the hook. Slip stitch. Repeat 2 more times. Flower first layer petals. Round 1, magic ring. Chain 2. 6 half double crochets in ring. Slip stitch. Round 2, front loops only, chain 3. 2 treble crochets. Chain 3. Slip stitch. Repeat 5 more times. Slip stitch in the back loop only, below, of the first stitch. Chain 2. Second layer petals, round 1, back loops only, 6 half double crochet increases. Slip stitch. Round 2, chain 3. 2 treble crochets. Picot. Two treble crochets. Chain 3. slip stitch, repeat 5 more times. Slip stitch in the back loop only, BLO, of the first stitch, chain 2. Third layer petals, round 1, back loops only, half double crochet, half double crochet increase, six times, slip stitch, round 2, chain 3, treble crochet, double treble crochet, picot, double treble crochet, treble crochet, chain 3, slip stitch, repeat 5 more times. Flower base, round 1, magic ring, five single crochets in ring, slip stitch, chain 1, round 2, 5 single crochet increases, slip stitch, round 3, chain 3, single crochet in second chain from hook, half double crochet, skip 1, slip stitch, repeat 4 more times, leaf, round 1, chain 10, single crochet in second chain from hook, half double crochet, five double crochets, half double crochet, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, half double crochet, five double crochets, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch, hide those loose ends on the back of your flowers, leaves, and base. Pop that stamen right in the center. Glue those leaves to the back of your flower. Attach the flower base to the back of your petal masterpiece.